Hey everybody, this is a bit of a intermediate to advanced tutorial, and this is regarding the advanced carousel widget and the listing grid widget in JetEngine and JetElements. Now, what the request was that this advanced carousel widget from JetElements has a lot of extra fancier type of styles that are going on here. So you can see that there's just some different hover styles and that and whatnot. And so the member in the community group was asking how to get posts in this, because in this advanced carousel you have to manually add in all of your items, and he wants to pull the posts into the widget. And so I'm just going to show you starting. I'll go back a bit, but I just want to show you kind of the finished product here. And we're going to end up using the listing grid, but you can see that the hover styles have been pulled over from the advanced carousel widget here. So I'm going to just not go too far there, but basically what we need to do is start with a listing. So you're going to go to JetEngine, go to listing, and you can see here I've got a carousel listing, but I'm just going to go to add new. And then it's for posts. So I'm just going to go to listing like that, create a listing item. And then I'm just going to add a new section. I'm just going to set it to 500 width for now. So then what we have here is we're going to go into JetElements, and you're going to bring the advanced carousel widget into the section. And so then you're going to see here, you're going to have one item. Now this is where we want to set all of our dynamic post data. So feature image, and we're going to go post title. We can do an excerpt. We can do the post URL, all that kind of stuff. So then we want to go to settings here, and we want to turn off the arrow navigation, because we are going to use the arrows from the listing grid instead of this. And so I'm just going to go one slide to show. And so you're going to see it's going to come up there like that. And then the items layout is going to go banners. And then we're going to select the one that he was asking about, which was Layla, like that. So then you can see the hover styles. So then you're going to want to set all your styling options here. We're just going to go item content, hover white, so that we just get that look there. And then so once all of that is set, you're going to just hit publish. And so now that our listing is done and styled the way we want to do, we're just going to go on to the page. I'm going to remove all of these. And so then I'm just going to open up a new section here. And then we're going to go to listing elements like so. We're going to bring the listing grid over. We're going to select, I'm going to have to refresh this. So let's just refresh here. Make sure I publish this one. Okay. So there's our carousel 2 listing here. And then the number of columns that you want to show, if it's just one, so on and so forth, like that. And then what you're going to want to do is go down to slider, click on enable slider. And that's going to go like that. And then so then adjust the width accordingly. Style, slider, background, transparent. So similar to like that. So then click update. And so what I did was set up just 3 test posts quickly here, and I just threw some images onto them. So then what we get here is when we preview, now we have a slider widget with the advanced carousel design on it. Just like that. And if you have any questions, just feel free to let me know. Thanks, guys.